Hey everybody, and welcome back to the TheMindCatcher's channel. Today I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. It's been a while since I cracked this sucker open, so let's get started. I'm going to prime my lid first using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Next, I'm going to put a little bit of concealer on my lid because I'm going to use some earthy tones and I want them to pop a little bit against my skin tone. So this concealer I'm using is from NYX and it's in the shade Tan. Okay, the first shade in the palette I'm going to use is called Riff and it's right up here. And I'm just taking a Sigma tapered blending brush. This is the E40 and I'm going to apply that in my transition area, kind of all the way up to the brow bone. And this is basically helping to set this concealer as well, giving me a little color on the eye. Next, I'm going to go into this orangey shade. It's called Baja, and it's right there. I'm going to use the same brush. We're just going to take this shade just a little bit lower. This is a vibrant orangey shade. Look how it pops against my skin tone. Very nice shade. All right, let's go into the shade Punk. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, Punk. All right, it's a very deep brown right there. For this, I'm going to use a medium sweeper brush. This is the E54 by Sigma. And I am a Sigma affiliate. If you want some nice brushes, then use my link down below or my code TMC10 and get 10% off your purchase. They're always running sales. And in my opinion, they have the best brushes in the game. I've had mine a very long time. No complaints. Okay, so this is your crease color. And I like to keep my crease color low. I really don't have much of a crease, so I have to create mine. I kind of just feel for my eyeball. I think I'm going to take this color Punk right down into our bottom lash line as well. Right there in the outer corner. Alright guys, so I'm going to take this fluffy brush from Profusion. I think it came in one of their palettes. And I'm just sweeping and brushing that dark brown inward. Okay, that shade we started out with is called Riff again. It was that light brown that we started off with. I think that's it. Am I pointing right? No, this one right here. And place it right here in the inner corner. We're going to keep this look matte, surprisingly. Because I don't normally do all matte looks. I'm so drawn to shimmers. And your hand is a great tool. It will help you blend almost better than a blender or a brush. Actually, there's a little shade right next to, do I want to do that? I'm going to be going kind of against my word if I do. It's a shade called Double Life, and it's right next to Punk. It's almost like a, I don't know, kind of bronzy. Just lightly put that there, add a little something on the eye. Okay, and that's it. If you don't want to add the Double Life shade, you don't have to. I think it's pretty all matte. But if you want to have a little something, go ahead and add Double Life right there. And then of course you're going to have to blend the shade Punk, which is the dark brown, into Double Life. You gotta kind of go between the two. A little bit of smog. Let's see what that looks like. Just right there. There, that's it. Just to brighten it up just a little bit. I just felt like it was too dark. There you go. That's it. That's it. I'm not touching it no more. We're going to add some liquid liner. This one is from Sigma. And we're going to go ahead and put a little bit of mascara on. The mascara I'm using is Maybelline Great Lash. And for my lashes today, I'm going to use Ardell's Double Up. Alright guys, while you were gone, I decided to put a little blue in my waterline. It is beautiful, a nice electric blue. And Makeup Forever Aqua XL pencils are one of the only ones that work in my waterline because everything else just washes away. I tear up and it's gone within seconds. But this one, it's waterproof and everything. I'm thinking they're still selling these. They have so many colors. This one is an I-24. So we're going to apply that if you have a blue pencil right in your waterline. And I ran it a little bit into the lash line as well so you can see it a little better. And I want to know why in the world is this eye tearing up when I'm working with this eye. It's like that eye is jealous. And we're going to use the Perversion Waterproof Mascara on the bottom lash line, just in case I decide to tear up. Alright guys, so we're going to move on to our face. I already have on my moisturizer. So what I'm going to do is add a little primer. This one is the Full Spectrum Primer. This is nighttime. I'm really not going anywhere. I have a few videos that I like to show you guys, a few new items, and I'm just putting on makeup so that we can play together tonight. Actually, I haven't put up a video with makeup in a few, but I don't know, maybe about a week or so. So I'm feeling like I'm missing it, you know? Sometimes you miss makeup. So today I said, let's do a video. Let's do a makeup tutorial. I have some new hair. I have some new lipsticks from several companies. So much to show you guys. So I'm going to try my best to keep these videos rolling. School is about to start for us here in Florida. So you guys know I homeschool. It's going to be rough. But I'm trying to pump out as many videos as I can for you guys before I get really engrossed in the schooling. Alright, our lucky foundation for tonight is going to be Juvia's Place in the shade Angola. A little bit is all you need. I have my little blender here from e.l.f. And someone asked me, do I recommend any of the other e.l.f. blenders? Not the one with the sparkles in it. I love this one with the sparkles in it, and the sparkles don't come off on my face. So I'm really loving this one, and this one gets very big and fluffy and soft. They do have the white ones. I don't think I have any of those up on the desk, but those are nice and soft too, and they get really nice and puffy. But this one just has such bounce. I love this one. Okay, you see how that just erased all of those imperfections over there? So we're going to go ahead and apply on the rest of our face. Alright, I'm going to use my Naked Skin Concealer. Love this. And I also go around the concealer with the rest of the foundation that's left on the sponge, right around the edges. I'm just going to use my Colourpop powder. This one is in deep dark. Sorry. I'm just going to set it with that. I don't think this is too dark. So, yeah, it really doesn't make too much of a difference. I'm going to use a darker shade. This is Extra Deep Neutral. I think this is the last shade in the Naked Skin concealer. I think so. So I'm just putting that around the perimeter of my face. Okay, so let's try to work in that concealer. And I'm still using the same sponge. All right, and we have the black opal powder, and this one is in 700 deep, and this is their finishing powder, and I like it. I can't say anything bad about it. All right, before I go any further, I'm going to spray my face with a little Fix Plus. Get a lot of that powderiness off the face. For our blush, we're going to use the Stilazzi palette, Mango Tango. I'm going to try that. It's an orangey blush. I want to try it. Give it a try. I have one orange. So, ooh, pigmented. And this is from their Barbados palette. Okay, we're gonna go in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. That's what it looks like. And I always pick that shade Bronze there to highlight my cheeks. Beautiful. Very light, very subtle. Well, depending on how you apply it. You can also add a little Fix Plus or water to your brush, and I'm quite sure it's going to be more intense, but this is good for me. I think for the inner corner of my eyes, I want to try out the color in here called Summer. I'm not going to do a lot of it. Let me just tap it in there and see what it looks like. That's very nice. Love it when a plan comes together. This was going to be a matte look, and now look at it. We are glowing and everything. Next, we're going to move on to our lips. I'm going to be using K Lip Liner from Colourpop. And you see mine got a lot of love. Looks kind of ashy. And from Urban Decay, we have the shade Heat. I don't know if you guys remember, this came in the Naked Heat collection. It's a metallized shade. It's very pretty. Okay, so that's Heat. And you can feel the little glitters in this shade. You definitely can. All right, guys, and this is your completed look. I thank you guys so much for tuning in with me today. I hope you liked this talk through video. It had been a long time since I used the Urban Decay Born to Run. Still one of my favorites of the year. Really like this palette. Also, I am digging the Juvia's Place in the shade Angola. You guys see, it worked out pretty good for me. I'm liking it a lot. I just sprayed my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. One of my favorites. So I'll be sure to list everything down below, and that's about it. Also, before I forget, I just want to give a shout out to all of my patrons over there on Patreon. There's about 28 to 29 ladies. I have a cap at 30, so I have 2 spots left. We do some fun stuff over there. We talk about everything beauty, nails, everything. We talk about hair, all of that good stuff. You guys know I have natural hair. So come on over. Like I said, we have 2 spots left. I just want to run their names through the video and give them a great deal of thanks because they've been rocking with me for some time now, and I really appreciate it. also, I have some more videos coming up. So if you see this outfit and this makeup, I am so sorry. But I have to get these videos out to you guys. I'm a little behind. But it's good for you because you're going to get a lot of footage. So I will talk to you guys in the next one. Cyber kisses. Bye.